Happy Friday, everyone. This is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker. And today we have 8 homes that just hit the market, and let's get right into it. I'm also going to do a deeper dive into the benefits and features of each home in separate videos. So first off, we have a beautiful 3-bed, 4-bath, newish home built in 2022, listed with Preferred Shore Real Estate for $1,998,000. In Tarpon Springs, we have a palatial 8-bed, 8-bath home listed with Coldwell Banker Realty. That's $4,995,000. Closer to home, in North Reddington Shores, we have a 3-bed, 2-bath home listed with Premier Sotheby's International for $1,750,000. Here in my backyard in Indian Rocks Beach, we have also a large 7-bed, 6-bath home with Future Home Realty for $3,450,000. In St. Pete Beach, we have a home listed with Savvy Avenue LLC, 3 beds, 4 baths, $3,495,000. In St. Pete Beach, also on the shore, we have a 3-bed, 3-bath with Future Home Realty, $2,499,000. On Treasure Island, my hometown, we have a home listed with Realty Experts, 3 beds, 4 baths, $1,569,000. And lastly, on Indian Shores, we have a 6-bed, 5-bath beachfront property with Coastal Properties Group for $6,800,000. If any of these homes are, fit your lifestyle, fit with your family, or as an investor, what you're hoping to do here in the Gulf communities of Pinellas County, you can reach me at 727-303-1521 or all my social media at CD Selling St. Pete. Have a wonderful day.